Yo, what is up YouTube? KillaCam, back on the side of the gunner, aka the tank. Hope you guys are having a great day. My birthday is next Monday. We are going to be the old 24. Getting so old. 24 is gonna hit me hard. If you haven't seen my last video, we actually did a video inside of the Stang, kind of like an auto vlog. I was kind of driving, put the GoPro inside of there. There was a slight face reveal, so if you want to see how ugly I actually am, check that out. You're gonna see there's a part of it where you can see my face, but I'm at the point now, I'm almost 24 years old. I don't care what I look like. I'm past the age of caring if others think you're pretty or not, so I'm past that point. So there's my ugly face. Check that video out. I would like to do that occasionally. That is not going to be a thing that I'm going to do like every week, I don't believe. The video quality, I like the angle. The angle was okay, it was just too exposed. It was also a really bright day, but the exposure from the GoPro just wasn't working. I wanted you guys to be able to see me shift and see the inside of the car, so with just that day, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I can adjust it where that angle would work and that'll look cool. And I want to get a mic inside. I mentioned that, where I can mount it a little bit closer to me so that you can get my vocals and hear the car. The reason why I've never shown my face, or tried not to on this channel, is I've been doing it for a couple years, just recreational for fun, is you never know who's watching this. You don't know who's gonna recognize you. And personally, it's fun just making the videos, kind of having you guys not know who I am. It's just more fun that way. And I don't really want to be like, hey YouTube, this is my face. Okay, I guess I'll go, thank you. Be like, hey YouTube, this is my face. And then you judge me on my looks. I'm no Instagram model. I'm a little KillaCam on the gunner. Come on, Van. Now days like this, where you're going 35 miles an hour, that's not good. Daily 100 for the boys. We got around the van. Woo! Yeah, but I'm past the point. I know I'm not going to be an Instagram model. So when you know you're ugly, I'm 24, you might as well just enjoy life and make YouTube videos. And if my face slips up on a little Mustang video, that's what happens. I actually enjoyed making that. I really actually think, oh, I kind of want to beat this car to that. Yes, they have to yield, not me. Isn't that cool? Lovely. Woo, let's go. Back-to-back daily 100 clips, why not? When in Rome. I think I would have had some great footage if that GoPro exposure wasn't so messed up, so I'm going to play with those settings on that, because I was hitting these back roads on the Stang, and I was enjoying the shit out of it. I really wish it was going to look a lot clearer than what it did, but it's okay. That was just the first little trial video. If you want, I'm sure I already put that little link right there, so you can check it out. If not, you're not going to hurt my feelings. Thanks for watching the gunner video. We're just going to go have a quick little rip sesh. The accidental daily 100. I think that's the new thing on this bike. Just oops, I didn't mean to do that. It happens so easily. You just cruise at 90. Oh, who remembers this? This is what a cruiser's for. Mine leans to the right. Ooh, but it's okay. Who needs an R6? Holy shit. Let's go, gunner. I know, and I left this up last time on my whole video. I just can't say thank you guys enough for the recent support. You guys have been here even when I had to do my little break. Now I'm kind of revamping this channel. I've been trying to be more consistent, at least 2 videos a week, and I'm back-to-back weeks of doing that. So a little round of applause. Let's keep this going. But if you guys haven't seen this channel at all, I normally do moto vlogs, and I'm starting to incorporate some car videos. I just recently got a Mustang. I know you guys have seen that. So be expecting some mods on that and the gunner coming soon. I know you see those YouTubers that where they start making their car content, they kind of forget about the motorcycles and they don't make motovlogs anymore. That is not going to be me. For those of you that have been watching, you know that I love this, and I'm going to be riding motorcycles until I die. I'm going to be that 80-year-old honest victory gunner in his front yard with some land. That's going to be me. I tell everybody this. I only have one bike right now, but there's not going to be a time in my life, unless shit really hits the fan, that I don't have at least one motorcycle. And shit must really be hitting the fan if I don't have a motorcycle. That's just all I have to say. I never want that to come, but that is the only way that it ever would. The only reason I would ever pick a car over a motorcycle is because you can't sleep in a motorcycle. Middle of Mexico. We got the daily 100s and we got the accidental daily 100s. Let's get some downshifts. Good girl. That's my girl. Practicing for the Stang. Oh man, I gotta practice my launch on this thing. It's gonna be closer than what I think, to be honest with you. Unless the Stang just feels a lot faster inside the car. Okay, we can practice again. We got a slight incline though. Broke his neck. Oh, I'm gonna leave that in the video and we're just gonna coast out this failure. Oh, that was rough. When you miss a shift on YouTube, I'm leaving it in the video. That neutral fail. There's just something about getting out here on your day off, sweating on a motorcycle, smelling the gas, the fumes. And just look at this, man. Middle of South Carolina, aka Mexico. I'm off on a Tuesday. There's no one out here on the roads. This is like old school Kill a Cam, and it feels so home to me. It feels like we never left. And I know I'm gonna get these views back up. I am not worried about that. So you guys stick for the ride. We got a lot of changes coming to the channel. I'm very excited. The consistency is back. We got some new ideas. I'm gonna make some friends up here, so we're gonna see some more people in the videos, and we're gonna be okay. Can't say thank you guys enough for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell for your boy, at Kill a Cam on Facebook, Kill a Cam R6 on Instagram. Y'all have a great day. New video coming soon. Kill a Cam out.